I'll recording. So just a very quick presentation. No? Well, here in the first slide, we can see a chart given by the World Health Organization. From a 2022 global survey, it said that the leading cause of death worldwide is heart disease, followed by stroke, respiratory diseases, no, respiratory infection, COPD, lung cancer, and even tuberculosis, rank among the top causes of death worldwide, no? So every country in the world has these cases, no? None of us is really safe from these kinds. So in addition, from time to time, we face global epidemics like influenza and COVID. So many factors really contribute to decline of our health, no? A study shows that one of the biggest contributors is actually our rapidly aging population, no? Many countries are already struggling to cope with the increasing number of people affected by chronic and terminal illnesses, no? Making this a global health crisis. So despite remarkable advances in medicine, many of these diseases still have no definitive cure, no non-definitive cure, as most available treatments focus on managing symptoms, no, with maintenance medication until the body gradually becomes less responsive to those maintenance medications. So usually, when those happens, we know that doctors often have no choice but to increase dosage, switch medication, no, or prescribe multiple drugs at the same time, which creates an ongoing cycle of maintenance treatment rather than a true cure for that condition. So aside from aging, we have the poor nutrition, wrong diet, chronic stress, unavailable stress, no, and constant exposure to pollution that continuously affects our health, no. So everyday factors that are really difficult to avoid in modern life. So that brings us to an important question. Can we prevent this from happening? Can can we at least mitigate this before reaching us in this kind of state now? Is there something that we can do on this kind of diseases? So for our new guests, other than you, sir, I think we have other guests here. So for our new guests, you may be wondering what's today presentation is about, what Riwi is about, what is the product that is being mentioned by our speakers earlier, no? It is actually we're introducing stem cells. To simply put, stem cells are formed when a sperm of the father and the ovum of the mother unites. They are the body's original building blocks. They are responsible for forming every organ, including the heart, the lungs, the kidney, the liver, and many others. No? So which means every part of our body from head to toe begins with stem cells. So whenever damage occurs within the body, our natural repair system activates stem cells, which many of which originates from the bone marrow, no, to help repair damaged tissues. Well, this is also a principle behind the stem cell therapy, where doctors use a patient's own stem cells to support the tissue repair, no. And one remarkable characteristics of stem cells is their incredible regenerative potential, because they are the building blocks of the body. They help regenerate tissues, repair organs, and restore healthier function of the body. So proceeding. On this slide, we can see that it is titled The Miracle of Stem Cell, the greatest medical revolution. So many medical journals, scientific publications, researchers, healthcare professionals believe that stem cells science represents one of the most promising breakthroughs in modern medicine, as we know, no? With potential applications in conditions such as diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer, and many others, no? As of today, I continuously research, and there are more and more stem cell treatment facilities that are continuously popping up all around the world. We have in America, we have in Europe, we have in Asia, no, in which they serve several approaches on stem cell treatment. One option is placenta injection, commonly offered in countries such as Germany, Switzerland, New Zealand, and Singapore, which is very expensive and time consuming. On our case here in the Philippines, we have for urgent cases, we have specialized hospitals that provide stem cell therapy, no. However, again, these procedures are often expensive and highly specialized that would normally takes hundreds of thousands of dollars, US dollars. So then, and then these placenta injections are rarely completed in a single session. No, treatments always or may always continue to take up to several months, sometimes up to 6 months to 1 year, and will really cost millions of pesos or dollars. So because of the cost, these procedures are generally accessible to only a limited number of people, which we call the rich and famous, no? Then another approach is a stem cell transplant, where stem cells are collected from a healthy area of our body and then transferred to a damaged tissue. While it is effective in selected medical conditions, it remains as an invasive procedure to most of those who take this kind of stem cell procedure. So for mothers, no, for expectant mothers, there's also what we call the cord blood banking, where stem cells from the umbilical cord are preserved for future use. Although these cells can be stored for many years, stem cell production naturally declines as we age, and many chronic diseases begin to appear during our adulthood, as we know, di ba? By around the age of 25, that is where the diseases naturally comes out, no? So other than those is welcome to the newcomer. So other than those is here in the Philippines we have non-medical establishments. I don't know in other countries, but I think there's also there's this non-medical establishment also advertises so-called stem cell injection. But it raises many important safety concerns because often we don't know the source of this materials or whether the procedures are being performed by properly licensed healthcare professionals. And then to achieve this free stem cells within our body, no, we just need to have or we need to have a maintained healthy lifestyle through proper nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management. Usually, these habits are certainly beneficial, but modern life continues to expose us to stress, pollution, and environmental challenges. So the question is, do we have a solution or do we have a convenient, effective, and accessible way to access this stem cell therapy, to access this stem cell treatment that we ought to share worldwide, no? That we ought to share with people that needed this or that is needing this kind of hope within their life, no? So that is where the modern oral capsule technology comes in. Now, um, our company, Riway International, has partnered with Alpha Laboratories in New Zealand, in where it is a laboratory that developed a advanced technology that preserves stem cell related biological components through freeze drying and cryogenic preservation, allowing them to remain biologically active for several years now. The manufacturing process also utilizes supercritical extraction technology that enables the extraction up to 99% of the biological activity from selected source materials. So, and then we have the nitrogen fill technology, which minimizes the oxidation, while enteric coating protects the capsule from the stomach acid, allowing absorption in the intestine where nutrient uptake is more efficient. Then what we have next is what we call the nanotechnology, or what we call emulsification technology, that further reduces the particle size of our materials or ingredients to improve the absorption into our body. Now, combined with Biosoft Gel technology, this process enhances absorption while maximizing the product's effectiveness. So that is our Portier Placenta in its seventh edition. That is the product that the Team Elite speakers are talking about earlier. That is where our business comes in, where we share this product. Now, this product Portier uses carefully selected deer placenta as one of its primary ingredients. Why a deer, no? For centuries, ancient civilizations regarded various parts of the deer, including its antlers, blood, velvet, skin, and placenta, as highly valued natural resort treasures, no? As the deer has been recognized as a clean, herbivorous animal with high biological compatibility with the human body. So historically, these prized ingredients were reserved for kings, queens, emperors, and empresses to support vitality, beauty, and longevity. So since 2008, our company, Rayway International, has Portier Placenta as its flagship product that we continuously evolve through ongoing research and patented technologies. So with our patented ingredients, we have first is the cervicenta or the placenta from a female deer, no, which is extracted from newly which is extracted from deers who newly gave birth, no, and then we have the velvecenta from the tip of antler of the deer, which is very high, which is very potent when it comes to duplication, and that it can adapt to all of the needs of our body. Then we have the Enjingsen. Enjingsen is what we call the ginseng is a type of ginseng that can be found in the volcanic soil of New Zealand, which is 150 times stronger than the normal ginseng that we know for nerves, no, for our brain synapses. And then we have the axertone. Axertone is a type of lychee mushroom that specializes in antibiotic and then shutting down our aging genes if we want to stop aging, no. And then we have the nucleic lavem. Nucleic lavem is a type of white strawberry that can only be found in Japan, in which we have also a headquarters with. And this nucleic lavem can be considered as a treasure for three things: natural antibiotic, natural pain reliever, and then natural anti-inflammatory. So each ingredient was selected for its unique biological properties and complementary role with the formulation that we do. So together, all of these ingredients are combined with advanced technology to support not just our health, but to support our health from the roots itself, which is our cellular health, no, that gives an overall wellness to our body. Additional Additionally, other than those five patented ingredients, we also have brown seaweed known as anti-carcinogenic, which it terminates cancer cells. We have the apple extract from 150 green apples. We have the tomato extract as well, marine collagen, evening primrose oil, squalene, avocado, borage oil, aloe vera, which are carefully selected to complement the overall formulation of our stem cell, no? So why do we really need this, no? So usually, we take this kind of supplementation to our body to maintain overall wellness, support quality of life, promote healthy aging, no, and assist normal detoxification in our body, in which it also supports tissue repair and help maintain a healthy blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure levels, no, within the normal range. No? So what makes Portier unique is it focus on supporting the body's natural repair, no, and regenerative process through its specialized formulation. We don't have any kind of chemicals that gives secondary effect to our body. It's all natural, it's all holistically designed to be accepted by our body. So with this comprehensive formulation, Purcure is designed to support healthy aging, that it can give a result of reversing aging 5 to 10 years younger. As an example, here we have our Auntie Mira Franco. I'll call her later to share. Then we have our Auntie Miroslava from Europe. No, I think Auntie Eve is there as well. No? So that's the what here is all about now. And then here in the final slide, well, we can see that many of the world's leading causes of death still includes cardiovascular diseases, cancer, respiratory disease, diabetes, dementia are closely associated with long-term cellular health, no? Well, while accidents and natural diseases while accidents and natural disasters occur, no, disease continues to be one of the greatest health challenge facing society today. So So that being, Portier is the greatest asset of of our company, which is Riva International, and that is what we ought to share to everyone we know. That is what we do as the business. We don't actually just sell the product. Our company, Riva International, is a business of leadership, is a business of growth, is a business of journey in which we are tasked not to sell, but to grow ourselves, to grow our foundation, to grow our organization by sharing, by doing these OPPs, no, by conducting events, and that is how we do the Riway business, which lets us earn in Singapore dollars daily income. So that's it for the product. I think, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop the comment, or I think anyone would like to share, or any sharing, any questions? None? No clarifications? I think none. So to our guest, Mr. Jimmy, Mr. Jimmy, may I ask who invited you?